Hey everyone, in this video today we're going to talk about the best natural protein supplement that builds healthy muscles and also helps with weight management. Coming up next on Rethink Health. Hey everyone, welcome to Rethink Health. My name is Daniel. If you're new here on this channel, it's all about helping you eat and live in a way that leads to a healthy, vibrant lifestyle for you and your family. Please consider subscribing and share with your friends. That would help a lot. Thank you. You can also find this on any podcast channel that you like to listen to. You can go on over to rethinkhealth.com and check out the podcast channel there, and also sign up for my free newsletter. There's so much helpful content on there on the website. So protein, it's such a big market, lots of brands, lots of companies. How do you know what to choose? And it is important to have a protein supplement. Our body needs a little bit of help. Our body cannot make protein on its own. It needs protein taken from the food that we eat. So as we get older, I think it's important to have a protein supplement. It doesn't mean every day, but a few times during the week is very helpful. So protein has many jobs in the body, including production of enzymes and hormones, also and obviously building and repairing tissues, our musculoskeletal system, tissues that leads to organs and organ systems. So it's very important, and it also helps our immune system as well. So it's vital to have protein. So I've tried a handful of natural blends over the last couple of years. I've tried things from whey protein to natural proteins, plant-based proteins, and I found one that I really like, and I'm going to share it with you today. And why have I tried this one that I have? Primarily because I feel the best. I feel healthy and I have more energy. I noticed with some proteins, I think whey was one of them, that my bowels it messed around with my bowels, and that is just not a good sign. And a lot of the whey proteins have artificial ingredients in them, and really you don't know where it's coming from. You don't know how the meat has been raised. It's hard to find a local blend or to really get an answer of where this protein actually comes from, what farm it actually comes from. So I think it's important to note that the protein that I use is plant-based. It's from peas. Now, why plant-based? Why plant-based, not animal or soy? A few important things to consider. I'm not a vegan. I love meat. I need meat. I'm not going to get into more of that. I'm going to let you check out the link in the show notes. Before I get into the protein that I use, let's go over 4 quick reasons just to think over as to why you should choose a plant-based source of protein supplement over another. Now, it's not, you can get the same results with whey or other products that you can a plant-based. The same amount of grams of protein are in each. So these are 4 important tips that I think you should consider when looking for a protein. So number 1, today, the majority of our meat is just not healthy, and we eat way too much. It's not healthy because the animals are not treated well. They could be fed medications and antibiotics and steroids, and their living conditions are horrible. And we're buying meat products that is coming from this. It's just not healthy. We don't know where it's coming from. We don't know anything about it really. And I also feel that I need to give my body a break and add more clean macronutrients. So number 2, we live in a culture that is very acidic. And a lot of animal protein has high amounts of sulfur, which has an acidic effect in our blood. So choosing a plant-based protein helps balance your pH. And I believe that is a big reason why I feel so much better. So number 3, whey and soy products are in the top allergenic foods and account for 90% of reactions. Number 4, 93% of soy in the States is GMO. And also many chemicals and solvents are used. So I really think it's important to choose a plant-based protein. And yes, plants can still have, chemicals in them, herbicides, pesticides, whatever. So it's good to know that it's a natural plant-based source. The company or the farms that are producing it, that their standards are organic or go above, that maybe have labels like non-GMO or vegan, kosher, things like that. These certifications are really good to have. So let's get into the protein I use. So the protein I use is AIM Propeas. So it uses the stevia for flavoring and natural vanilla natural vanilla, but also I put some of this in it, which is the cocoa leaf greens, which is the cacao chocolate, which is the cacao bean, and it also has some leafy greens in it, like spinach and Swiss chard and kale, broccoli. So pretty good. Imagine putting that all in your body to build those healthy cells and muscles. And I've never felt as good as I feel today. So they've helped me so much. So it's a vegetable protein that promotes a healthy pH balance. So it's going to help your body be more alkaline in this acidic environment. It improves circulation and calcium absorption. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, certified vegan, sport approved, sugar-free. It's straight from peas because of their select amino acids, high in iron content, and no trans fat or cholesterol. So they use only water to filter, and no harsh chemicals or solvents are used. So some of the important aminos that it has in it is leucine, and if you know me, I'm horrible in pronouncing things. So this slows the age-related loss of muscle tissue. Isoleucine increases endurance and energy while helping to repair muscle and aid in muscle recovery. And valine repairs tissue, enhances energy, and regulates blood sugar, which can assist in weight loss and brain function. And then lysine, a vital component for calcium absorption and bone development. Also, another important thing to note is that having a pea protein can help in 3 specific ways for reducing unwanted fat, so helping with weight loss. So number 1, it takes long to digest, so you feel more full and don't eat as much. Even though it's digested slowly, 98% of the aminos are used and digestible. Number 2, it builds a faster metabolic rate, so faster digestion helps your metabolism work better. The faster the fat is burned, the better the weight loss. So number 3, with more protein, the body makes lean muscle mass quicker and easier. So that means more calories burned and more fat lost. So AIM Propeas is available in the link below in the show notes. It's $55 for a 456 gram container that has around 30 servings. And then if you subscribe in the affiliate link below, you can save up to 35% on each order, bringing the price down to $42.25. So I pay $42 every couple of months for my protein. I hope this has been helpful. Please share this and subscribe. We'll talk to you next week.